What's up, Guru Nation? Welcome back to the clinicaltrialsguru.com. As always, you can call or text me anytime, 949-415-6256. You can also email me, Dan, at theclinicaltrialsguru.com, or any social network you can think of. So today's video is going to be, I don't know what the title is going to be, but it was inspired by a site that's a sort of a startup. I mean, they've been around for some time, but they're looking for an equipment calibration company in their area, and they were having a hard time finding it. And I mean, I'm going to tell you the technical aspects of how to go about doing this particular task, but just know when you start a research clinic, there's going to be lots of these little issues come up constantly, and you've got to be solution oriented. You've got to think outside the box. You've got to be an entrepreneur and not just have entrepreneurial tendencies. So for this particular case, this person was having a hard time finding a calibrator for their equipment. The one that they did find was ridiculously expensive. It would have actually been cheaper to buy brand new equipment. So we obviously didn't go that route. So they called us, the site called us, said, hey, we've been having this problem for a couple months. Our suggestion was call any doctor's office in your area, ask them, tell them who your PI is, Sam, from such and such's office. We're looking for a calibrator for our equipment. We're wondering who calibrates yours, if you can share this information, right? Now, it took us 6 calls in this particular case. The first 5 didn't answer. I guess they were closed for the day. The 6th one did. Receptionist answered. We explained this. She said she's going to go ask her administrator, her manager. She came back a minute later on the phone, gave us the number, gave us instructions for how to dial, who to talk to. We then called that company, told them the situation. They're able to they quoted us at $225. Problem solved, right? Problem solved. Took like 5, maybe 10 minutes to do this. So when you hit dead ends, they're not dead ends, right? There's always an alternative. Networking. This essentially what we did was network, right? I mean, we networked with another private practice in our area. We don't compete because they're a different specialist, and you network, okay? And this is what you do for everything. So whether that be you need to find a local lab, okay, because this has come up for some of our clients in the past. We can't find a local lab, and we can't do the study unless we get a local lab. Network. Ask your monitor. Do you have any other sites in this area? Who do they use? I actually did this a couple months ago. We needed a local lab for one of our clinics in Long Beach, California, and we couldn't find one. And I asked the monitor, who, you obviously see other sites in this area. Who do they use? And we didn't even have to call those sites. The monitor told us they use this vendor. Call them. We called them. Done deal. So dead end, no. You need a network. You need to talk to more people. You need to get outside of your comfort zone. Same thing. I mean, never give up. This can tie into finding more doctors for your clinic, which you should never depend on one PI. You should always be adding more physicians to your research clinic. But we're getting off on another tangent, and that's a topic for another day, although a good one. So that might be my next video, all right? Thank you, Guru Nation. Remember, when you hit a roadblock, it's not a roadblock. Pick up the phone, start calling people. Call people who are in your situation. Call people who may not necessarily compete. Call people who do compete. Just call more people, all right? And if you still need help, my consulting company can help you out with this and a whole bunch of other stuff. So give me a call, 949-415-6256. Thank you very much, Guru Nation. Take care. Bye-bye.